Welcome to this short video introduction of the Nixxis Contact Suite. Nixxis is a company specialized in the development of software solutions to structure, organize and optimize all your customer interactions. Next to our typical customer-like call centers and contact centers, small and large companies also use our software solutions. They want to answer today's customer need. Indeed, these days the way customers are communicating with companies has completely changed. They don't accept long waiting times. They just don't take it anymore to find their ways through a very complex and impossible to understand interactive voice response system when they are calling a company. They need to get the same answers when they are calling, sending an email or walking into one of your branches. And they definitely hate to repeat information when they are transferred from one employee to another. Even more, they want to be able to contact a company when or where they like, using their favorite communication channel and get a complete answer fast. This brings a huge challenge to companies. How can you answer this customer's demand while keeping your cost under control? The answer is a high-performance solution that structures and organizes your different customer interactions while improving your results. Let's have a look at it. The Nixxis Contact Suite is a tool that helps you organize the different ways your company is interacting with the market. Your collaborators can be situated in different locations, even home working is possible. They all log on to a central system and depending on their credentials, they will be able to perform different tasks. The Nixxis Contact Suites provide different interfaces for people dealing with customer demands, for people that are supervising the different activities, for people that play the administrator role, for people that are allowed to listen into interactions that have been recorded, and finally, for people that are able to analyze the results and to produce historical reports. We will first have a look at the interface used by your employees that are dealing with the customer demands or that are initiating interactions with customers. Through the interface, different interaction tasks will be given to your employees. Those can be incoming, so-called inbound interactions, like phone requests, call me back requests from your website, chat requests or email demands. But can also be outgoing interactions initiated by your employees or by the system, so-called outbound interactions. When your collaborator puts himself available, he will get the different requests that he needs to address. Of course, an administrator of the system defines the kind of request the employee can get. In the middle part of this interface, your employee gets guidance through so-called scripts. Scripts help to ask the correct questions, make sure that all informations are entered in your company's backend system, that eventual backend processes are initiated. For example, if a customer orders one of your products, the fulfillment and invoicing processes can be automatically started and at the end, feedback is given to the system so that eventual follow-up actions are defined. Next to the practical guidance when he is answering a customer demand, your employee gets crucial information to help him organize his work. He can see if there is still a request waiting to be handled, very important for phone requests for example. He can click to get guidance and assistance from a supervisor or manager, indicate that he wants to take a break and so on. To improve the service level and ensure a good return on investment, the employee can work on multiple demands at the same time. For example, he can answer a chat demands while he is talking to another customer over the phone at the same time. Per channel, the administrator can indicate how many simultaneous sessions can be allowed. As you can see, the interface helps your collaborator to answer the chat demand using predefined text and predefined attachment. So, this was a short introduction to the Nixxis Contact Suite. Please check our other videos on how the system can be administered, how you can supervise the different activities, how you can listen to recorded conversations, and how the reporting possibilities of the Nixxis Contact Suite are available. Thank you and goodbye.